Hello, children! Welcome to English class with MA. Today, we're going to have our reading lesson. Let's get started. He has a ball. Again, he has a ball. It's your turn, children. He has a bat. Again, he has a bat. It's your turn, children. He has a bike. Again, he has a bike. It's your turn, children. It is a ball. Again, it is a ball. It's your turn, children. It is a bag. Again, it is a bag. It's your turn, children.